Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going over Q2 of the weekly contest 469, split away with minimum difference. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this one. First thing to note is that n is big enough so you can do like an n square thing in case you're wondering, right? 10 to the 5th square is just too big. And then the next thing is just that, well, look, you have an array. From the beginning, it's strictly increasing. And then from that point on, it's strictly decreasing, right? But another way to think about it is that it is just strictly increasing, but from the opposite side, meaning that it probably, there's some overlap somewhere. Otherwise, or yeah, there are not that many places where this can be, but in any case, you can just check all of them. And there are a number of ways you can kind of think about this, right? But yeah, as long as you keep it O of n, it is okay. And the way that I did it is just by looking at the prefix and the suffix. Oh no, not that one. Looking at the prefix and the suffix, right? So from the beginning, I go, okay, it's the first element. And I know that this is not strictly necessary, but remember that this is doing contest. This is doing contest code. I solved this in 4 minutes, right? I just try to get it as fast as I can. But basically, the two components. One is the increasing from the beginning. So as soon as this is the streak of increasing ends, I just break. Decreasing, we start from the end, but same idea. As soon as we stop decreasing, or technically speaking, increasing from the back. So as soon as we get something smaller or equal to, we break, right? So then now decrement or decreasing and increasing sub I means that there's a from 0 to I it is increasing, and decreasing sub I means from I to n minus 1 inclusive it is decreasing. And then with that in mind, and now for I we have increasing up to I and decreasing up to I plus 1. If that's the case, then you just have to do what they tell you about the differences, right? And then the left half is going to prefix I plus 1 is the increasing sum, and then the total. So this is the prefix sum total, right? You could probably write it another way. This is going to be is the decreasing sum, and this is pretty straightforward in a way, in a sense, visualization wise, because this is the first half, this is the second half, right? It's just we have total, you minus the second half, and that is easy. So the prefix sum part makes it a little bit straightforward, and you just take the absolute value of the delta, and then take the min of all the possible cases, assuming that they're both true. And then take the min. If it's not possible, if it stays infinity, return -1. Otherwise, you're Gucci. This is. Oh, and I skipped over the prefix sum a little bit, but this is just prefix sum, and this is a pure prefix sum in that it is just from the prefix. There's no like subcomponent, so this should be pretty straightforward to think about. It is just the sum of the first I numbers, right? Keep in mind that there is a no element 0, so you have to be a little bit careful. But that's it. Yeah, that's all I have for this one. Linear time, linear space. And you just obviously have to be very careful, or at least write it in a way such that you don't make mistakes. That's what I was going for, even though this looks a little clunky now that I kind of understand the problem a little bit more after the contest. But again, 4-minute solution, this is what you get, right? That's it. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and you can watch me solve it live during the contest now. I'm kind of slow today. Go. Am I recording? I think so. Strictly decreasing. Alright. Minimum difference. So okay. write this. I mean, I guess that's problem. Yeah, okay. So we still need what an annoying problem. +1? Why now? Okay. Okay, I've been non-empty, so then it has to be, and if what are we doing? Min. Sum of this is such an annoying problem, actually. Oh yeah, I forgot. I was like, Larry, remember. Lucky that's in the input. Very easy to make a wrong answer. Okay. Whew. Oh, 2 hard problems today, and they're related. All right, we'll see. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit subscribe on Drummer in Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem, this contest, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.